See that egg moving? It's day 20 in incubator, so they should be hatching pretty soon. Many of them are like that. There's definitely cheeky inside of this egg. Hopefully he's gonna hatch okay. See how he's moving. Isn't it cool? Wants to go out, I guess. It's about the time. We got one more day. That is cool. Yeah, it's a very active egg. Oh my gosh, I just heard him. I don't know if you guys catch it, if the phone recorded it, but there was beep 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 beep. There was definitely one of the eggs actually spoke to me. Oh my goodness, I have to play this to myself to see if it's possible. I mean, if phone actually got it, but I heard it in the past, like a few minutes ago. I was just like, okay, was it a bird outside or was it? But no, definitely there was a little cheeky speaking from the egg. That is so cool. I'll keep you guys posted. Happy Friday. Bye.